After the rain, way down inside, I need someone.
Update for today. Hi everyone, update for today is too quiet, a bit quiet here in Avenida. Anyway, everyone is inside of the restaurant. Substitute to beans. Hi everyone, how are you? We are here outside. So at the moment, update. It's a bit quiet in Avenida.
Whoa.
I thought it's too cold tonight since at around 5 p.m. in the evening it's too cold already. But during the day from 8 a.m. up to 3 p.m. the weather is too good here in Lanzarote. Anyway, substitute is finished. Enjoy your holiday for those who are in Lanzarote now.
Hi there. You see my wife's vlogging. So anyway, we're here at El Kiosco right now. We're just passing through. It's like time check. It's 8:30 in the evening, and it's like maybe about 17 degrees today. Well, tonight, sorry, 17 degrees. Oh man, that's why we wear this one. And look at the family. They're all just like in the winter time. So if you're watching this video, happy St. Patrick's Day to each of everyone. You know, I think this is a little bit advanced, but yeah, I know you're gonna watch this one a little bit late, so I'm uploading it right now. I'm just saying it right now in advance. So happy St. Patrick's Day to each of everyone. And yep, let's go for a quick update here in Puerto del Carmen. Let's see what's going on this time of the night. So we're just gonna walk around, you know, try to enjoy a little bit of free night after dinner in the house, and you know, maybe we have some little bit of bubble tea. Let's see. How's the image of this camera? You know, I'm trying everything to make it this bright, but I think it's okay. Just gonna see me well. And of course we have a mic on board, so a little bit loud noises in the background, but I think it's fine. You can hear me well. So yeah, quick walk, and there's a breeze coming in this side, so it's a little bit chill actually. Look at this. I got my sweatshirt on. 17 degrees for us is a little bit cold, but I think for you guys that's watching now, just laughing at me. Oh, look at you. You have your sweatshirt on this time of the year. You know, it's supposed to be a summer. But anyway, Lanzarote is changing a little bit. You know, weather from time to time. It's very different nowadays. So, yeah, look at that. Galleon second. Full of some people having a drink. And the Pambay, of course, Pambay never gets old, you know. Every time we pass through here, it's just full of people having their dinner, you know, because I think we are the best of the cheapest dinner that you can have. So yeah, try to enjoy it. Look at that, Pambay. Huwag mo nang guluhin. Pambay. So I know for sure you're not gonna see the beach right now, but I'm gonna show it to you anyway. Not gonna see a thing. It's a little bit wavy, high tide, and yeah, this place is just awesome in the nighttime, but you cannot see anything. Like I said, it's a cruise ship somewhere there in the far side of the ocean, but yeah, you're not gonna see it in the camera, do you? And the family is just right there. You know, we are trying. Oh, sorry, too dark. Let's find some spot that's really bright. So we are here now at near at Centro Atlantico. We're just entering in this spot. You know, there's a lot of lights here, so you can see me on that side now. To be fair, Lanzarote right now is just so amazing and really bit busy every time. You know, and I'm working in the evening, so I see the difference between day and day. And of course the daytime is really different when it comes to people having a different breakfast, different you know, nation. And yeah, trying to enjoy the the day, especially when it's super sunshine. Every restaurant around here is working well. Look, Dust Mill Restaurant. Oh, it's empty. First time to see that like that. Well, I think it's cold. You know, the breeze is coming this side, so it's gonna go in the terrace, and yeah. Now cheer to someone. There's the family right there. You know, we went to open mall this afternoon. And it's kind of funny. You know, we came there for one thing only, to buy some socks. At the end of the day, we didn't buy any. We buy so much toy for Bella, and my wife's getting, you know what I mean. ¿Qué tal? Bien.
Mabuti, ganun din naman yan.
So even though this cold weather, we still have the ice cream stand right here that you can enjoy. Yeah.
I see Alex, the man. I see two dogs.
The two dogs.
I'm scared.
You're scared?
Small one.
See our friends right there. Alex have a two big,
It's a big.
I don't know, call it bulldog or something, or pit bull. Bella's got scared. It's too big. Me too. I'm trying to hold it, but I'm a little bit scared, just in case. Well, we're now at Centro Atlantico, just enjoying life, walking around. As you can see in the front, there's the NEC bar right there, and there is the Irish bar, El Padrino in the middle, and Pinocho in the other side. So they have a different culture and different nation, different restaurant to be exact, and they're giving the best to to accommodate people. But the El Padrino is closed right now, but I don't know why. But the rest of the gang is open, and they have a lot of drinks to serve, especially here in Centro Atlantico. Bars and restaurant right there, especially in this front side. Just one epic bar to go around and enjoy. There's a lot of bad comments around, people telling about it, but yeah, try it to yourself, folks. I think it's changing a little bit. Just drink moderately. Drinks around here is very cheap, and everybody just goes straight in. That's Harder Rock right there. And this is the O'Reilly's. Wow. Need to speak much louder because of the music around here, but this Centro Atlantico is live and kicking right now, so it's awesome. You will see how busy the place is because of all the sounds that you've been hearing right now. But yeah, like I said, drink moderately, because here drinks is unbelievable. It's not stopping. We just keep on pouring and pouring drinks for you guys to be happy. But when you get too much, you know what's next. This is the Wok Asian fusion restaurant that we always hear. Bella's trying to want to go there again because she always had there the octopus. The octopus, the tiny ones that you can grill in the kitchen, that she's really love. And she's asking if we can. We just have dinner in the house. So we just dinner in the house. Yeah, I highly recommend, folks, especially you're in the big group. It's much better because you can accommodate every tables that they have. They have I think 60 inside and 40 outside, so that's how big it is. So we went back when we came from in that part of the store because Bella dropped the hat and
I forgot my hat.
yeah, we just went back. So guys, this is the Enjoy. Look, it's full of people inside. Oh gosh. Wow. And of course, the Long Beach. And they have a lots of good vibes around here. Nice music actually. Look at that. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Then another most famous most famous bar right here is right in my back, Route 66. You know, you can enjoy to the fullest from 80s, 90s up to present of all the music they're playing on. It depends on the mood, it depends on the ambience, and it depends on the people that dancing around. So they're gonna play some 80s, 90s, and the present music that are famous around. And if you go all the way in this side, you will find an Italian restaurant. And what do you call the name of that one? Buffalo. I used to work before. I always forgot this place, you know. I'm sorry folks to all the people, you know, because sometimes you say the name and I really forgot. I'm so sorry. But I try my best to, you know, to capture everything because my wife's with me. She do the photos and put it in our Facebook page, Beans page, Lanzarote. So you'll find all the pictures, photos that we shoot. And we have some subscriber don't want to be in the video. Well, most of the people that I know is just like I'm not putting them in the video, just straight in the Facebook page, so you know they can see it. So here you go, Italian restaurant. Oh man, busy. Buffalo, not much, but the Italian restaurant is wow, amazing. It's full. And Buffalo is just you know, struggling, but they still have people. No, not zero, but still have people. But outside is just empty. It's cold. And La Cantina, wow, place in Mexican restaurant. It's just full of people right now. And they're doing like they're supposed to do, you know, like a Mexican restaurant are supposed to do is just like giving some people the hottest and enjoyable food to enjoy. If you know what I mean, you know, I've been to a Mexican restaurant, the what's the name of this one, the El Burro. That's the first job I have, the first regular restaurant that I've been since I got here in Lanzarote. And the typical Spanish people that working there, and we have some typical Mexican food that we serve. So I learned a lot from that spot, and I really enjoy working and learning that days. But now I'm just, you know, I'm too old. too much now. That's why I enjoy working in Palm Bay. Tiny bar, tiny restaurant. Don't get me wrong, I still get some stress around here, but not tiny little bit, not much before. That you can handle maybe about 6 to 10 up to 15 tables on your own. But in Palm Bay, yeah, we're all family, so we help each other around there. It's very tiny. That's why. Well, restaurant Asiatico, full as well. It's a Japanese, Taiwan and Chinese restaurant at the same time. You know, they have mixtures of all the food that you can really enjoy around here. Hi, hello, good evening. They have some like different types of how do you say that, a meal for 2, for 3, and for 4 in this spot. They have a big menu as well for the big group. And the next of that is the sorry, Playa Mar. They do some Spanish, typical Spanish restaurant. They do some grill. They're well known for a grill restaurant. So that's the bar, sorry, that's the restaurant that they kicked me out while I'm filming outside. So yeah, shout out to that guy. I think he's not there anymore, you know. Shout out to the restaurant. Here you go. But that guy is really sucks. So anyway, right here in this spot of Puerto del Carmen, normally in the daytime when it's blue sky and it's just super bright, this place is just very awesome and really nice to walk around. But now in the evening it's just like very different. Everybody's in the bar, everybody's in the restaurant, you know, having their days, having their thing. And yeah, and we are here. walking and show you the place. It's just very quiet, not much people to see because most of them are in the bars and restaurant at this side. Oh, look at that, the sea view. They don't have any lights outside, but still people coming there and they know the place. Oh, look, this one, Maritoni snack bar, very tiny but it's working well. And the tavern don't have much people inside, but if you look through it, you see some regulars right there. Wow, this Irish pub is just awesome. It's big, they're working well. You know, this tomorrow gonna start the St. Patrick's Day, so you will see this spot. And yeah, everybody gonna have a blast in this place. Of course, the shenanigan, don't forget about that. Here we go, everybody's working, try their best to make something, you know, in their life. Whew. So that's our night for tonight. Just a chilling walk. You know, we want to go to the Chinese shop right there to buy some bubble tea, but the girls went on to the fun group, so I said just gonna go straight and wait for them, but they're still not here, so just keep on walking. So this is the night that I'm really looking forward to show you, but our camera is struggling a little bit right now because this camera, even the other camera that I have, so maybe the nighttime we're gonna use the phone is much brighter, even though the image quality is really bad. It's okay as long as you see, as long as you understand what I'm saying, and as long as our video is worth of watching. So yeah, I gotta post it. So anyway, that's it folks, thank you very much. Ooh, look at the Fantastico. Wow, happy place. So folks, that's it. Thank you very much for watching and enjoying the vlogs. I hope you have the best time in your life. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe. That's it for tonight folks, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.